So we just did some welding with both IronArc and Excalibur 7018 here. And we're going to look at the macro cross sections of each one of these welds in a couple of different joint configurations. So we have a single bead T-joint fillet weld, and then also a couple 3-bead fillet welds as well. If you're looking at the IronArc profile here, you can see a little flatter face with both the single bead and the triple bead fillet welds, and good penetration with each one. If you compare that to the Excalibur sits up a little higher on the profile face of it and still has great penetration profile. And with that 3-bead, you can still see great tie-in with each weld pass as they consecutively go with each other. All right, and then with the bead on plate here, you can really see the profile differences between Excalibur and IronArc in themselves. So the IronArc has a lot shallower profile, good toe wetting on each side, and then the Excalibur sits up a little bit higher, still has great penetration, but just a little more prominent on that profile.